One thing you are learning from this YouTube channel, which I can promise you nobody on earth is teaching you, is holding your hands through AI content creation. And in this particular tutorial, I'm also going to do that. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can create ultra realistic AI images like this one you just watched. Now, a lot of people are creating AI content, AI photos, but you still see that glassy, that glossy, that over unrealistic looking kind of portrait. And if you want to go fully into AI content creation, you just have to do it perfectly. It's either you do it perfectly or nothing. This is RIRAH Creates YouTube channel, and I teach you how to prompt create and also to dominate. Feel free to check out my other videos on YouTube, search RIRAH Creates, and just binge watch on everything. So one thing I need you to understand is it's not just about copying prompts, going to Pinterest and then you copy prompts. No, you begin from the foundation. Learn how to talk to AI to get exactly what you want. And this is what I'm going to be teaching you first. First things first, we're going to head over to ChatGPT. And in previous conversations, I've taught you how to talk to ChatGPT, right? I've taught you how to talk to ChatGPT using this microphone icon. So like I'd always say, explain what you want to achieve to ChatGPT. So we're going to create a female, and we are going to have that ultra realistic looks with the eye bags, with the acne, and the rest of that. We're going to tell ChatGPT to give us a prompt. Now, if you're going to create your images, you can either make use of ChatGPT or you can make use of Gemini or Ideogram or any other image generator you choose to use. So I want to create an ultra realistic looking image of a lady. Now, I don't want something glassy or glossy. I want to see those facial features like the acne, the dark head, the maybe rough skin. Ultra realism is what I'm aiming for. So you should take the position of someone that has created ultra realistic images for brands, skincare brands, fashion brands, and the rest. And I want you to give me a prompt to create for this lady. I want to create different angles of her, close-up shots, extreme close-up shots where we see the details, we see maybe a medium shot, and the rest of that. So I need about 5 different prompts to create this. I am aiming for a Nigerian lady, and then she has long cornrows. She's very beautiful, but we still see those hyper realistic facial features. So if you're going to be using your own image to do this, or if you're going to be creating for yourself, all you need to do is explain to ChatGPT what you're trying to achieve. Then once ChatGPT gives you the prompts, you copy that prompt and then use it for your reference image. This is exactly how it works. So here is the character anchor. Now, this is how you build a prompt from scratch. For those of you that are still struggling with building prompts from scratch, this is how you build your own prompts from scratch. You explain what you want to achieve to ChatGPT. AI is in the best way or in the best position to tell you how you should talk to AI, right? So here is the foundation prompt. We're going to copy this, and then we're going to be using Google Flow. Like I said, you can use any other image generator you want to use. Let's use Google Flow for this. You can use ChatGPT. ChatGPT gives the most realistic images, so you can use that. So these are the camera shots that we are going to be making use of: close up and extreme close up. And all we need to do now is copy this, and then we are going to recreate it. Now, if you want to gain access to these prompts I used, you should reach out to me on my Telegram community, my WhatsApp community. Just join my Telegram channel, join my WhatsApp channel, and I'm going to share these exact prompts I used there. So we can see the skin, see everything. Looks so realistic, right? But I don't like the background. I want something plain. Let's have something plain. Let's recreate this. I'm just going to say plain brown background, portrait shots. So let's use this. So it all depends on what you want to achieve though, but I want to get a portrait shot of the lady. So in case you are trying to create ultra realistic images and you're still having issues, this is it. By the way, please like this video, subscribe to RIRAH Creates, and feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you. And also check out my other videos. There's a lot in store for you there. Okay, yeah, I like this now. I think I love this. You can see the acne, the blemish. She even has a bit of beards here. This is just ultra realistic. It's exactly what I want. So we are going to now create it in different angles. All we need to do now is copy this. And once we copy it, we head over to Google Flow and add it as a reference image. And then we are going to paste the prompt. So I'm going to have to look through the prompts though. Let's see. Extreme close-up beauty portrait of her. So I'm just going to use her because we are referencing an image. There will be no need to add the cornrows and the rest since we are just referencing her. So let's create this. And the same thing is what we are going to apply to the next. This is a close-up, and then we are just going to paste the prompts here. Hope you've liked this video and hope you subscribe to my channel. And then create this. You can see this, right? Would you believe this is AI? It just looks ultra realistic. So learn to speak to AI. I don't think anybody has taught you this like a 5-year-old. Learn to explain what you're trying to achieve to AI. So we're going to paste the next prompt. Let me see. Medium portrait photograph of her. So I'm just going to change this to her. So there we have it. So let's create a low angle. So we're just tweaking this to fit. The AI completely changed the outfit here though. That's exactly. So all the prompts here, we've used all the prompts. Like I said, if you want to access this prompt, you can just go over to my Telegram channel and I would leave it there. So can you see the realism in this? So if you're creating something for brands, and maybe skincare brands and the rest, and see the facial detail. So if there's a particular thing you want to highlight, maybe you just want acne, you want to highlight the freckles, you want to highlight beards, whatever it is you want to highlight, you can go on to create it. See, this is AI. This is AI. So this is exactly how you create ultra realistic images. And feel free to like this video. It doesn't cost a thing. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment in the comment section. And also let me introduce you to my class that is coming up on the 25th of August. That's August 2026. It's called AI Content Lab, and it's going to be happening from the 25th of August to the 18th of September. Classes would be 7 p.m. Tuesdays and Fridays. And trust me, I felt stupid for putting this class at this particular price, but I just said, RIRAH, let everybody have access to it. I've got 7 different ebooks that has changed the life of whomever read it. I've had testimonies, how to make your first million with AI content creation. And if you know me, I don't just speak from a theoretical perspective. It is something that has worked for me. I'm going to be giving you that book for free. Now that book is worth 3,000 naira, but you're going to be getting it for free. You're also going to be getting my ultimate AI video editing prompts library. Now this contains 50 different prompts that you can copy and then paste to create your AI videos. If you watch this particular video here, you see the prompts I used. So I created 50 extra you can use. All you have to do is copy, paste, tweak when necessary, and you're good to go. Additionally, I know many of you do not know you can make money with AI voiceovers. Jeez. You can make money by creating jingles. You can make money by creating voiceover content for brands. You can even use free tools like Google AI Studios to do this. And I explained different ways you can achieve this. And for those of you that are still stuck on, oh, you've learned AI content creation, but you do not know how to implement it. You do not know the niches to try. You do not know what is going to bring money. I am also going to give you my book that contains 50 different ways you can make money with AI content creation. Practical ways that have been tested and proven. And also real estate is one niche that a lot of you have not explored, and I'm someone who is placing her feet into that industry, and I can tell you for a fact there is badass money in real estate. So you're also going to have access to that book. It's about 30,000 naira, but you're going to be having access to it when you join this class. It's one thing to create AI content, and it's one thing to create AI slow. Your videos still have that feel of AI slow. This particular class is going going to give you access to an ebook that contains 30 costly AI video mistakes and how you can fix them. And e-commerce is one niche that, trust me guys, many of you are sleeping on. I have a PDF that contains 50 different profitable e-commerce video ideas, and it's 2,500 naira. You are also going to be getting access to it in this class. That's about 48,000 naira ebooks for 20,000 naira. Additionally, you're also going to have access to me, which is something I value for 200,000 naira. If I am really going to mentor you, now mentorship is different from one-on-one classes. If I'm really going to mentor you in AI content creation, this is what I charge and above. And you're also going to be having access to a community I'm building, a community I'm going to be sharing updates with, resources with, opportunities with. If anything comes to me, if any job comes to me, of course, it's going to be my community firsthand. You are going to be having access to this and so much more when you join AI Content Lab. And this is what a lot of people are saying about me. For those that have attended my classes in the past, they've talked about the fact that they had no knowledge. Imagine what I'm doing with you on YouTube. Now imagine what it's going to be like in a paid class. I'm going to hold your hand and I'm going to guide you through AI content creation. You are not going to read. So you're not going to come into my class and live the same way. No, it's not going to happen. So the link is going to be in the comment section. It's 20,000 naira. And if you are paying in dollars, it is $15 to be part of this class. Classes start August 25th. So click on the link in the comment section. Register for AI Content Lab. Register for your friends, your family members, your loved ones, your partners. Let them be part of this. And I'd also like to see you implement. What I've taught in this class. How you can create realistic AI images like this. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.